Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove underline in Microsoft Word document. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. In this video, I will show you how to easily remove underline formatting from your Word document. Whether you are working on a report and easy or any other document, removing unwanted underlines can be done in just a few simple steps. Firstly, now select from the text. Now going to the underline icon option. Now for click. That's it. Then again another underline text option. Now for click. Now going to the home menu option. Now click for the underline icon option. That's it. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.